ke hai mana sabcha awagi keza bangile
Sekwang semai ni dong chief guest Jenchui Kamei Chairman ZUF tàu hay mong lan ni nabam thai mai goi nabam husui na hula po mai dai rai mai sna bam la puni ni tam da dai guest of honor Ahong Riam Roy General Secretary ZUF mai bam la puni
hai mana mi ba ke mi za ke chi za ke wai ki le pani wang ta wai da zai na
Let's give a big round of applause.
Zeliangrong mai tập buồn tan là quê lũy tan băm mẹ hai bao năm cùng tan hòa tan đời đâu ô anh lao tập buồn tan là quê lũy năm bàn theo đời Zeliangrong cần đi dùng dầm lẫn trăm na lùng khá trông thấy đại thao na hồ đăng cao bằng đi thế nằm hung gầm gật tê phao thô ít gan nằm đi nằm hay gào cao gật tê phao thô cứ đi khâu đi buồn piu na đi pi với trắng day lâu mày khâu mà có quang hai bóng giá toa đằng mày này cày đất mà khê tu na ba mày gật thầu hai bao đôi gật thao thế na gặp cùng ta na bắt gần đê ô British bay mà cam quăng đi theo đuôi toàn cụ thể
Come on, ikaw.
Zeliangrong from Nagaland. He will speak to us. How and
wherein mutual terms of agreement was established meant for the purpose of finding an all-round development and fulfillment of aspiration of Zeliangrong people.
มีตรง agreement date 27 December 22 kum พี่น้องลาก็ไม่เข้าใจอินเดียไม่เลยอันนี้เจริญรงไม่ understand นายสัมก็ไม่ตัวไม่เกี่ยวทอ all round development government อาคารนั้น development ที่ไกลนี่ไม่ต้องก้วยนั่นต้อง subject ลำของเส้นเท้าขังอาคารนี้เอาไปอันนี้จัดนางอันนี้เลยนะเจ้าตัวเราไม่ต้อง make เฮาไม่ติ make ริ่งอัพไม่ติ make วางตั้งไม่ติ make ตาไม่ต้องลำเขากระเพี้ยนคังตัวไม่ให้นูนาเราไม่เขาตะไก่กันตรงไหน
My hope and spirit is renewed with the rising of ZUF and its progress made so far.
ส่วนคันนี้อาบูแมงเนี่ยนะที่นักกันวันเท่าเราเว้ยก็นะอันนี้ rising day ก็จะไม่เขาให้สานเผาให้ที่เผาอาศัยเผา progress ไหนบ้างเขาอาบูแมงนี่กันวันเท่าเว้ย
Our history
to win and reign one day in our own soil. We have such a great leader which we can follow. Thank you, Tanagwang, for depicting and reminding us that we have a leader who
Guest of honor, chief speech from our guest of honor. Sir, respected Sir Aihong Riam Roy, General Secretary ZUF. Sir, I give the time.
I'm very privileged to be part of the movement as a founding member of ZUF under the dynamic leadership of Jenchui Kamei. I have participated and witnessed the hard facts and figures of the challenges, sacrifice, and contributions made since its inception to this day. Our hope remains strong that someday soon we shall see the dawn of our freedom. We shall rejoice to shout the slogan, Hodzam, victory and joy to our people. And lastly, I pay a revolutionary salute to all my fellow comrades with high regards and my highest tributes to all beloved comrades, warriors, and patriots who have laid down their dear lives for the prize of our homeland. We shall forever count the cost of the sacrifices that has added values to our freedom. Thank you. Ring Taylor.